Hi everybody, I'm back with a container of the week that I found. This one again is from Hobby Lobby. This one is an expanding shelf organizer. It goes from 10, which is here, to 20. That's a lot of space. That's a lot. So let me show you some of the things that I'm gonna put on mine. I'm gonna put it right next to my desk. This is $8.49 for this one. Again, I like clear. That's just me. But let me show you. This is my glitter glue. I'm sure there's people who have a lot more than I do, but I try not to buy more than I'm using. So I have my glitter glue that I can put on here. I have my Barely Art glue that I'm going to keep on here. A girl needs her Advil. Gosh, when she's getting old. And I keep powder in here to get the sticky stuff off the back of my stickers. The next one I put my embossing powders on. These were all somewhere else before, but out of sight, out of mind for me. If I don't see it right in front of me, if I don't put you on the list, it ain't gonna happen. And then I have some perfect pearls down here. Excuse me. And then I have these are my stickles and my, what are these things? Liquid pearls. So I have those there. I have one thing, I have more glitter over there, but I have this one thing of glitter I'm gonna stick on here. And I have some of these ink things here and my thing for my embossing powder. Look at all that, and there's plenty of room. I hope this helps. I'll leave the link down below. Bye, everybody.